Being the survivor of a suicide pact is an offense under Section 31B of the Crimes Act, 1900 NSW. To establish the offense, the prosecution must prove beyond reasonable doubt that 1. You aided, abetted, incited or counseled the suicide or attempted suicide of another person, and 2. Your conduct was pursuant to a suicide pact. The maximum penalty is 10 years in prison, where your conduct involved aiding or abetting, or 5 years where it involved inciting or counseling. A suicide pact is a common agreement between 2 or more people, the object of which is the death of all of those people, whether or not each is to take his or her own life. The section provides that a survivor of a suicide pact shall not be guilty of murder or manslaughter, but can instead be found guilty of the offense, even if he or she causes the death of another member of the suicide pact, provided he or she establishes on the balance of probabilities that a suicide pact was in place. Duress, necessity, and self-defense are legal defenses to the charge. In the event you are able to raise evidence of a legal defense, the onus then shifts to the prosecution to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the defense does not apply in the circumstances of the case. You are entitled to an acquittal if the prosecution is unable to do this. Going to court. Call Sydney Criminal Lawyers on 9261 8881 to arrange a free first conference. Watch our latest video here.